Hi, this is Dan with Bespoke Fence. I want to tell you a little bit more about our order tracking system. So we created a web page where you could go on and track your order 24/7. Since you already put down your deposit, in a few days you will receive a piece of mail with a magnet in it. This magnet will have your order tracking number. Also in that mail will be a QR code and a link to our order tracking system. That will be where you type in your work order number to see the status of your job. Your install timeline directly depends on what type of fence you order. Through this link, all you need to do is go to our order status page, type in your work order, and you'll get updates on where you are at as far as the install process. Bespoke Fence has 4 different zones to the install process. The first zone is the red zone. This is the beginning stage of your fence project. We are confirming your work order with our project manager, our warehouse staff, and our partnering manufacturers. This process could take up to 5 business days. Our second zone is the yellow zone. At this point, we have confirmation from our supplier that your material has been ordered. With vinyl, aluminum, chain link, and composite orders, you'll be in this zone the longest, because it takes our manufacturer the majority of your waiting time to send us the material. Our third zone is the blue zone. At this point, we have your material in our warehouse and you are in line to get your fence assembled and customized. If you are a cedar or a steel order, we are now working on your custom design. For all other materials, we are getting ready to load your fence on our trucks to have it installed at your home. Finally, there's a green zone. Green zone means your fence install is coming very shortly. We usually have 10 to 15 jobs in the green zone. If you have any special dates or timelines that you want your fence to be installed, please call the office at 312-600-3690. The green zone is very good news. It means your install is coming very shortly. Once your order number moves from one zone to the next, you will receive an email notification letting you know. Thank you again for choosing Bespoke Fence, and we really look forward to installing your new fence.